What if I told you there's a muscle in your body that can improve your stamina, control, and confidence, but most men don't even know how to find it? And no, I'm not talking about your abs or your glutes. I'm talking about your Kegel muscle, and today, I'll show you the only 3 ways that actually work to find it. Here's the problem. Every guy who's heard about Kegel has probably tried them and got it wrong. Because when you flex everything down there, your abs, your butt, your thighs, you're not training your Kegel, you're just doing a full body cringe. So, before you waste more time squeezing random muscles, let's fix that. The first and most reliable way to find your Kegel muscle is the P-stop test. Next time you're urinating, try stopping mid-flow. That small squeeze you feel deep inside your pelvis, that's your Kegel muscle activating. You should feel the flow slow or stop completely. That's how you know you've found it. But here's the catch. Don't make this a daily habit. It's just a test, not a workout. Doing it too often can mess with your bladder control. The second method, and my personal favorite, is the flex test. Sit or stand comfortably. Now imagine you're trying to stop yourself from passing gas. That subtle lift you feel inside, that's the same pelvic floor muscle contracting. If your abs or butt are tightening, you're still off. The right Kegel feels internal, like a small elevator pulling upward, not a big clench on the outside. And the third method is the touch test. Lie down or sit comfortably. Place a hand gently on the area between your testicles and your anus. That's the perineum area. When you do a correct Kegel contraction, you should feel that area slightly lift or tighten. No movement. You're probably engaging the wrong muscles. Light lift. Perfect. You found it. Now let's clear up the biggest mistakes most guys make when training Kegels. Number 1, holding your breath. Number 2, tightening your abs or glutes. Number 3, overtraining and fatiguing the muscle. Remember, breathe naturally, keep everything else relaxed, and only train this muscle in short, focused sets. The goal isn't brute strength, it's control. Once you can find the muscle, start with 10 reps. Squeeze for 3 seconds, relax for 3 seconds. Do that 2 or 3 times a day. Within a few weeks, you'll notice better bladder control, stronger contractions, and yes, better performance in the bedroom. This is real strength training, just a different kind. So now you know the 3 proven ways to find your Kegel muscle. Master these, and you'll build a foundation of control most men never even think about. Want more training like this, practical, science-based, and actually effective? Hit subscribe, and remember, it's not about doing more reps, it's about doing the right ones.